10 lines speech on Republic Day. Good morning, everyone. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This is the National Festival of India. This year we are celebrating our 73rd Republic Day. Our country became independent in 1947. Our country got the Constitution on 26 January 1950. In schools, different cultural programs like debate, speech, dance, singing are organized. We should participate in our cultural programs. Salute to those brave warriors because of whom our country is independent today. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.